You are watching the quest of Alkebulan from Techiman to KINTAMPO now. Today we are going to take KINTAMPO Waterfalls, the history behind this place. I am the spiritual tourist minister. Niyama ye wo Ghana na eja ho etukwan so bi ni wo fi abrochire ofi America ba bia abrochire ba bi ofri ba oba he na ya wo de ne ko wo de ne tenankra ana wo project eniyama pa ye wo Ghana e de show man yi eni onyama na eno na ye de afesi ye mi so se ye be ye nti ye project African spirituality, African power eniyama obo ade de adom ye ababia ye ko no nye aburawo enye boho we are natural on don't follow any more Ghana, my West Africa. And to keep watching the quest of Alkebulan now in KINTAMPO, coming to take history and tourist side in KINTAMPO. Keep watching. My name is always Maame Grace. I am the pride of Alkebulan. We are done with the meeting with the authorities, and we've been given a good one of our brothers called Paul to be taking us to the place. So let's welcome Brother Paul. He is going to be one of the family today. Please greet Ghanaians and all over the world. People are watching us. Okay. So Chiaomo. Uncle Krebia. Jerome TV. Na yasanso akwaba. Edeba KINTAMPO Waterfalls. Yeah. Na ni so say ene nso so mabesraye. Na said you Maame ema intro no ene ebeji obi ansem dia odom for no dia dom Ghana so nti ede na ye expect
oh a lot I said you ma intro no we don't value ours na yes say ne mabepi ahano na ye obebre ye wo canopy work ye wo falls ye wo sling mat your children's park no say ohwechira ha ya new baby adia yabe ye wa ha and more ban crampo no more to come ye wo kind of saying fan say ya ban na wa umbra no ne wo sales so wa ha no mai nka monya wie bibian monko you relax and say mo be da nti say adia chia na ma to aso.
The vision is great, the vision is big. How are we going to execute it? Just a wo do mboa eba enu ni project ahama. Abusia, so wo kwa brochi agata mu yetitu ye de akonwa asisi ho. They believe, they respect it. Inti ye catch we said ya yenso ye wo ya hwani yi anakro. Ya hwani yi ana nkofo ya ba beto ne ende ne egusu ye moboko. Imba no entimi nsi. Inti ye project baby a wo bia chichiri bentesa wo hwe yenya. If there is anything you have to invest ewo mu a na eye abode a obo ade ne atim na ebi ene ye ba behwe wa he. Inti this is KINTAMPO. Don't just watch and have a good plan to project it. We are introducing it to you. Ebi awo Ghana akrapo wunim ha ye de waba ha huhum ne honamani. Inti bra besra ha na be investing so ewo ha na wo de ene ye wo de what it. I welcome us. If you don't understand the language, don't let the language limit you. I'm just projecting the beauty of Africa to us. I am Alkebulanian and all the Alkebulanians watching. I project Ghana, West Africa, the beauty of creation in our country to us all. Keep watching, the journey continues. We are the quest, and I am always your sister from your other mother, Maame Grace, the pride of our ancestors and the pride of Alkebulan. Keep watching. Say no, baby, I hear.
Yes.
Ehini yeko ahankasa de importin ne wa ha nyina. Na baby ayeko ehini yeko.
Me da wase. Aha ye KINTAMPO Waterfalls. Ohun o TV so what worldwide. KINTAMPO Waterfalls. Na ye falls no said the onyankopon amaye de na ye sonko. Sesen in the way say ye falls in stages. Ni who falls there Ghana ye in stages sa. Nti kwan a ye nam so aye kosi sia no. Yeah, they call the first stage of the waterfalls. The name say what yes, very good. That's the first stage of KINTAMPO Waterfalls. If you are, you call the second stage. Yeah, twice. Then real turning in stage 3, the last stage of. And today, my way 1 and the way 2. I say, yeah, speed there. Then my way 1 and maybe you 2, be 3. That's it. Genti my way 1, my way 2, 3 me say. train no the main waterfalls na ankasa
Look at the main apache say na so.
And a so kese pa wo ba ko no first stage no eye ketwa second no eye hone ho eno de any height bia by stream by drew on my rocks na ase enti na man ye stage 1 2 and 3 2 no eno de eye stream e da fem by drew a rabo na ase by who say first one no enti when the man ye 1 2 and 3.
Okay, so you better come closer.
Oh, now closer. Yes. Yes.
Yes.
No correct.
Yeah, to me.
Since I discovered the 300 years now, and read that in the 18th century, KINTAMPO Waterfalls is swing, and read that the normal flow ni when you know, Maame ka we answer. Ade amanya sonko ne say, the more nipa ba ho no, the more neighbor.
Exhibit the power or appreciate.
The more nipa ba ho no, the more neighbor. Who say we said the sister no kwa na jina ho. Say me no eko ho a ebe flow more than this. Ebe flow more than this. Na e wo village a ye frɛ no Pumpuatifi ne source no. E wo source. I travel 10 kilometers away from here. I say twan kwansini do asa na duru ha. Okay. The source no spring water fra buomu e na eba. Nti eba anya no nko na eba. Nsuwan streams rivers no e join na be duru ha. Nti egu ha nso a se de ye hu nu say asa nso ne dos ba se de gu ha na kitwa ebi ne bo a ebi wura abo na say 20 meters down. Nti ye number 2 na appeal oh like stream very calm.
Nti the epi flow bad enye omu nyina na do omu ho ebi wo be
ebi wura ase bo na egu ha yi ebi wura ase na appeal wo animu ho no. Nti we emfi abo nim na eba a river eduru ha na form falls no and kai fi abo mu na eba nka during the dry season
the dry season ni mu shape e wo mu ni nti se nti tobre ba
mommy die
na yemma
mommy die ese woni
what can say e won the spiritual aspect na won the physical aspect e dey ni waterfalls here wa he e yemma KINTAMPO man.
And I can't put my point because baby I am me cemetery in crying say we nyamisa no nduma how amanie when you ska se when you cancel sem braha na be subu ni se
yo enkebusia ya wo KINTAMPO Waterfalls na ho no yi na ye de start ye na me aye do ha no me huta me energy ni me vibrations ni na aye different because almost in Bible say na onyame wo ebutu eni na Waterfalls de dey na ebutu say na eburu tapa
nyame na ngasa
you are watching the quest of Alkebulan enti no one my yaki afia say the source na fi kuro bi so
I feel no Pumpuatifi yes o KINTAMPO ko dem ya
okrom he ya enti na me bi sa say emwa be na bi abo KINTAMPO man na wo say nye KINTAMPO man pe e wi asi nyina obi obeduru he bia bibi besi e wo na bra bo so enti mo ya rituals bi manana abibi wa aboto afeso ana bibi
bosume se to nse yemfa kaiza de ma kaiza nti enye se aye se bio abutunfie ene bi sa se ye wo danin bra yemba dabi baby out me ba by month no so an so so an o se o so ye na mamre so ye do
ade man nti na jeta mamre wo ho a ma mu na ye be ya mamre
man wani mo ohene no
ana e mat wo no ohene no na jeta entuo no ekurofo ne dia na omo ye na pede de ma no omo ditu se ye nyame preko pe apepepe na me tese ni enti ahoho tu kwan ba ebi begina ho na ebi abegari wo ana
1 and 2 ni de ontumi yare 3 no pe na mo ubegwa
ade enti na ontumi yare
o se wo hwa ha space bi eni ha sa space bi eni ha na ha no so na bo no so afu nti na yema authority
ni ba ho bambo nti
yes safety nti na yema omo dare wa ha no na 2 no so sa 3 no de also you do a wow
enti we say no said ye nyame bo no na na wa hei ana mo de monster nipa de ne sa ye bibia aka atare ho
nipa nya hwe wa ha said ye omo discover American in the 18th century the senior
na da so enti nya o say nya 300 years wow
so discover
and re enku nipa da enyi
okay fine ya ka say nipa 2017 internet news wa ha no enu ye afọwọ́nkyẹ́mà
ya pẹ̀sí yẹn hu
yes ẹnu ẹ̀yẹ tender ẹ̀na strike yẹ lẹ́ẹ̀dì mu sẹ́ nkura no ẹ̀yẹ adìbọn ni mẹ ní ma di àná ọmọ yẹ ẹ̀yẹ adìbọn ni wọ́n yẹ sign
ya pẹ̀sí yẹn hu sẹ́ náà mu wà ha na tender ní strike tí
náà mu wọ main waterfalls nti tender na strike yẹ strike yẹ ẹ̀ panso ni so díẹ̀ ní wọ ha ọbẹ̀ ká sẹ́ ọmọ de sẹ́kẹ̀ ẹ̀ ẹ̀ bu nìyà no ẹ̀yẹ tender ẹ̀na strike yẹ
ẹ̀na ebi kọ́ bọ́ọ̀
yes ẹ̀na ebu tó ọmọ so wa. Only so far.
Adia, accident.
Yes, accident.
You are watching the quest of Alkebulan. We are in KINTAMPO township. You can't say your project here. The Ghana map no air to throw. I'm a one year to throw because me let me come in 9 years 80 from there. And me am a bad dear Dumu Ghana. We are still there. Dear Reniho. Omo. Eni amatensa ebinumu etimi ekire obo ade ade ayama mo ewo muwa mu na Ghana de ye nyina ye wo ne tofa eba ni nsuo eba ni nnua eba na botanya wo se botanya ewa ha nsuo yi nam so travel over 10 kilometers edibedu ha na enye se na wie ye pomi o part 1 ni nie na otumi se Ghana oh my Ghana nyankopon ehira ye nti adan ye complain say ye hiafo adan ye complaining about unemployment ahana tie individual people na university na ye betimi aye Ghana ma ye oman papa na wo de wo tika wa be university wo mu wa tro yi abon onyankopon wa oye obo ade no ote na bodiem nti wo sha bodie so yie ni na wo nkaye tenten ne se wo di nyame etina dia eni. We are the quest of Alkebulan. We are projecting our ancestors and our natural resources. We be a spiritual tourist minister. And you know, and I project here. They might also work on our city. Only of this and the journey continues. Keep watching. This is the first part of KINTAMPO Waterfalls. Intimate, second part, one and third part is one to keep watching. The journey continues. I am Alkebulanian, Maame Grace, their God.
The all said you are happy to. And you came to do the rainy season. Nam them tourist bar. Then so far, you think the Saha. You show me uncle. When you walk, baby, the KINTAMPO Waterfalls. Once I how you yes.
Abusia, I'm walking. This is Kevin and I demonstrate to the children. Wow.
If you say your ticket, so how your first stage of the falls. Yes.
It's beautiful. Just beautiful. Okay, so this is part 1. It's just glorious. It's just phenomenal. You are watching the quest of Alkebulan. I'm so happy. Then you say Ghana. Okay, so you have part 2. No, maybe two. This is beautiful. If you buy now the Katabe say no wonder. No what be any ha.
Or what you'll be by one more one. You are friendly.
You are friendly.
You do main waterfalls. It's gonna be your home. me kai years back me the one woman from Spain tourist from Spain Albaha now say we documentary about snakes was it what the whole Ghana tourist sites we snakes
wow
by Albaha was what that
and your mommy will be oh hey mommy will be